Today we had the pleasure of having Jeff McManus with us here in Bluffton, South Carolina.
I am definitely grateful that he came and spoke to us.
You can't put value on what we did today.
I think he's a great inspiration. We had him as a speaker last year, which I thought he couldn't be any better, but this year he just outdid himself.
We have 42 employees and we have 36 who came today. And whenever you have 36 people putting pen to paper to just list one positive word or one positive attribute about what you do and how you do your job, you become powerful.
It was really great to have him getting us as a team together and having us think outside of the box.
I really enjoyed being able to connect with my team, and I think that it translates very well into other roles in my life, such as being a big brother to my 9 younger siblings, or other organizations I work with, such as Team Pack, which is a leadership school.
We taught ourselves a lot of things that we didn't know about ourselves, but also taught other team members things that they might not have really known about themselves.
He made me think not only about myself, but about my coworkers and like what I feel and actually think about them. I met a couple coworkers that I never had met before. We bonded a lot more than I thought I ever would.
It enlightens you and it makes you feel like Superwoman.
The purpose of today was just to learn and grow as a team with his leadership here and kind of collaborate different ideas of things that we can be doing to help one another and to help everyone win as a whole.
I am proud to have been able to work with Mr. Jeff and the rest of the team at Baylor.
It made me really appreciate what I mean to the company and what the company means to me. It just makes me want to just be a better person for the company.
Every company across the nation, across the board, across the entire planet would benefit greatly just by one training session like this. Just the coming together, the family, just the teamwork, the positivity that it brings. My team is going to be completely different tomorrow.